An eagle perched on a tree limb 19.5 meters above the water spots a fish swimming near the surface. The eagle pushes off from the branch and descends towards the water. By adjusting its body in flight, the eagle maintains a constant speed of 3.1 meters per second at 20 degrees below the horizontal. A. How long does it take for the eagle to reach the water? And B. How far has the eagle traveled in the horizontal direction when it reaches the water? Okay, so let's draw a picture. This is 19.5 meters, right? The eagle is on top right here. We have a constant velocity of 3.1, okay? And this is 20 degrees below the horizontal, okay? All right, now this would be, if we were to write the components of the speed, 3.1 cosine 20, and then I'm just going to do 3.1 sine 20 with the negative, because my frame of reference is up is positive, therefore if it's below the horizontal and the eagle is going down, then I'm just going to put a negative right here. But you can always choose to leave it positive, okay? Now, let's organize all the information that we have in a table, okay? So, change in x, we don't know. That's part B, okay? Initial x velocity is 3.1 cosine 20. Final x velocity, we don't know. Acceleration in the x direction is going to be 0. Time, we don't know. But we'll eventually solve for it because that's what it's asked for. Okay. Change in y is negative 19.5. Initial y velocity is negative 3.1 sine 20. Final y velocity, acceleration in the y direction, is also going to be 0 because it says constant speed, okay? So that gives us no acceleration in either direction, okay? Now we have 3 kinematics variables in the x direction, or the y direction, sorry, with only 2 in the x direction. Therefore, we'll be able to solve for time using the y direction variables, okay? Although time will be the same for both of them, we can solve it either in the x direction or the y direction. So since we have 3 here, we'll do it in the y direction. Okay, let's do it. Change in y equals VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Okay, now acceleration is 0, therefore this term is 0. Change in y is negative 19.5 equals negative 3.1 sine 20 times t, and that gives us 18.39 seconds. Okay, so this is your answer to part A. Okay, now how far has the eagle traveled in the horizontal direction? So now that we have 3 kinematics variables in the x direction as well, we can now solve for change in x. Change in x equals VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Again, acceleration is 0, so this term is 0. 3.1 cosine 20 times 18.39, and that gives us change in x as 53.58 meters. Okay, so this is your answer for part B.